Alright, my name is Breezy, aka Brianna, but I just call myself Breezy for some reason. And my basketball team called me Breezy, so I'm sticking with that name. Breezy. Okay, you can call me that if you like. I don't care. Choose amongst yourself. Like this, dislike this, share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, comment on it. Anything you like. It's all up to you. You are the special viewers, and you are awesome. Because I think people that watch like YouTube videos are awesome because it's all up to them to like, to dislike, to comment, to share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, share it with your friends at their house, share it to your friends' friends, share it to your friends' friends' friends. Okay, so now you guys get alright. Okay, so right now I'm the best rapper so far. I had a rap battle before, but it was with my cousin, but my other cousin was the judge and I won. And we had a singing battle and I still won. So if anybody wanna go against me in a rap or sing battle, subscribe your video, add me as a friend, and I'll get back to you as fast as I can. Deuces from Breezy Bree, aka Brianna. Add me or like or dislike. It's all up to you. Your choice.